welcome back to Fletch Maintenance. Today we're putting a handle I made, a 3D printer on the G1 ICON Ratchet, where I turned it into a 3/8 anvil. I figured I'd do a little video of me putting the handle on. Put a little bit of grease on the handle to let it slide a little bit. She's tight. I'm just hoping it's not too tight where it rips it. Right about there. Perfect. Yeah, it's pretty neat, man. It's pretty neat. I like it. What do you guys think about it? Let me know in the comments. Like, subscribe, all that fun stuff. I appreciate it. We'll see you next time. All right, then.